Check out the house that I just bought. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Got a turbo prop right there, super loud. All right guys, 4,000 square foot home. Just purchased this property and we're gonna walk through and we're gonna talk about the rehab and what this house needs. It needs trim on the inside of the doors. It needs some paint. It needs all LVP flooring. It needs a window. All this right here is gonna be tore out. It's just sitting there anyways. It's gonna get brand new blinds. I'm gonna put a nice fan up there. This right here can stay. We're just gonna do the downstairs first. This right here is the bathroom. In good shape, maybe some paint. Other than that, it's a done deal. Oops. This right here, sorry, this is the second time I'm filming this. First time did not go through. This right here just needs paint, very simple. This right here, these get tossed. That probably goes upstairs somewhere. Gonna fix some stuff up here. Throw these, like I said, new water heaters, that's good. So purchase on this property was $396,000 and we just recently got it appraised for $585,000. So those are numbers. The rehab on this is about $35,000 and let's keep going. It's gonna be the second office. It's actually a second office. It's actually really cool. No room for a closet, but it does need more blinds. Walking in here, you got granite, nice backsplash, really good shape. This right here is going to be cleaned. This right here needs the light's broken. This needs to be cleaned, but it all does work. These two work, but they need to be cleaned. Something fierce, really bad. Other than that, all this is gonna be LVP, that nice luxury vinyl. This right here is the master. Blinds, blinds, blinds. That's in good shape. You get it cleaned up. Walk in here. Probably put some new bulbs in here. Get this cleaned up. Any touch-ups down there, that looks fine. Get this cleaned up. This is a pure cosmetic kind of house. This right here is the shower. It's in great shape. Just needs to be cleaned up. Bathroom, same thing, decent shape. Replace toilet holder. This right here we'll do either carpet or LVP. I haven't decided yet. I could do carpet in here only because it's the master closet, and we're gonna paint those white. And moving on, I'm gonna show you something outside. The outside is a little bit special. There's something that's super cool outside. So, and I wanna show you something about the windows too. The outside here, as you can see, backyard is small but usable, but check this out. So these are low E windows. This window needs to be replaced. It needs to look like this window. So these low E windows, the sun beats them up and they start to look like this, right? And what you can do is you can call a window guy and they can come out and just replace the outside panel and the window will look like new. All right, now check this out. Gorgeous pool. It needs to be shocked. 4 tablets there, 4 tablets there. There's a pump in there that'll make that work again, and this thing will look great again. It did look great a couple weeks ago. There's something called a green to blue that they'll try to get you do for you know, the guy that comes out to fix pools. Don't do it. It's like $600 to $800 and you can shock it and do the you know, basically do the same thing. So this door also needs to be painted. Well, I'm showing you. There it is. It's from dogs and stuff scratching it up. Okay, so I think that is the downstairs. And we are gonna go upstairs where it's in much worse shape. All this needs to go carpet again. Needs to fix the walls, more carpet, all the way up. Lots of carpet, lots of paint. Everything up here probably needs something, okay? All paint, all carpet. This right here is the upstairs game room, whatever. Needs blinds. We'll just start over here. This right here, first bathroom upstairs. This is rusted, and this looks like an old apartment mirror. So we're gonna probably repaint everything in here, get all this cleaned up, put a new hanging mirror up here. It'll look a lot better. And then obviously fix, you know, all the cosmetic stuff. That door probably has to be replaced. This door needs to be found. All this is getting painted, new carpet, new paint, new doors. Oh, maybe that's a door. Blinds everywhere. Oh, and I'll put a ceiling fan in bedrooms because I personally like that. This right here is what was the kids' room. So this room has some damages. It does have a ceiling fan, lots of damages, but paint, carpet, probably a door. I didn't see the other side. I'm sure it has a hole in it like the rest of them. Okay. This right here is the other bathroom. It's green, but it's painted and it looks okay, but it's green. I might just have them paint it. This only because this looks like an old apartment mirror, and well, we're gonna tear it out because I hate it. I might do 2 different mirrors or kind of like one big one. I haven't decided yet. If this can all be cleaned up, I think it can. We could leave that, it'd be okay. This right here is in a bad shape. We're gonna get it cleaned up. And yeah, I'm gonna turn these lights off as I go. I'm in a little bit of a hurry. And this room here, the big blue room, needs carpet, needs paint. There's a little bit of a leak right up here. It's from a roof leak. And the owner was telling me that once the roof actually gets replaced, it'll stop leaking, because when they tarped it, it had stopped leaking. So I know that I won't touch that until I put a new roof on it, because it does need a roof. Lots of doors, lots of carpet, lots of paint. I'll probably leave this. And then this accent wall, I don't know. Let me know, guys. Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? I was kind of thinking about keeping this accent wall since it's in pretty good shape, and then painting the rest. I don't know. But, and then more blinds as well. So that is a 4,000 square foot house renovations. It really is like lots of paint, lots of carpet, some doors. Hey, I mean, this is what I call a common sense rehab. Basically, if it's ugly, fix it. There's nothing that's like, you know, sneaking behind walls or any, you know, crazy plumbing or foundation or ACs work. You know what I mean? Like, there's none of that kind of stuff here. Anyways, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Thanks for watching. See you guys around.